finish.
No. Kevin, Mina do. Speed up.
Very crazy real. Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today we're gonna make Play-Doh Drizzle ice cream. Yummy, chocolate. Now let's open it. Yeah, that's good. This is cool. Okay, let's pop out this.
5 hours later.
Finally got the chocolate. Whoa, look at all the Play-Doh. Whoa, chocolate and strawberry drizzle. This is a little green. First, I'm gonna make this chocolate ice cream.
Yeah!
And this. And this. And this. Now it's finished. Okay guys, my ice cream is finished. Now we're gonna put some sprinkles.
Blue. Pink. Green.
Orange.
Oh, look at all the sprinkles.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Just like this. I'm gonna make it. And then with some chocolate. Whoa. Spicy. Whoa. Are we gonna make the blueberry ice cream? Like this. Okay, with this. Whoa. Dada, this is so cute, a teddy bear.
Wow.
Make a candy too for me. Well, look at this candy. Okay. Uh-oh. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.